For busy entrepreneurs, it's never easy to create a fair and balanced workflow schedule. Juggling everything from end to end, you're bound to miss some of those booked calls and appointments. And missing appointments and scheduled calls means missing opportunities. So on today's SaaS Showcase, we have a powerful scheduling tool just for you. What's going on, Saastronauts? It's June here from Saastronautics, and today we are showing you Bookafy, a powerful scheduling tool for your appointments, your calls, your demos, any use case you can think of that needs a schedule and a calendar. This is that tool. Now, this is best for appointment-based businesses like financial services, consultants and consulting businesses, agencies, and SaaS startups, but also great for freelancers who are also working with many clients and that they need to book appointments and meetings for. And once you set it up, you're never gonna have to worry about missing your calls or appointments again. And you'll be able to provide your customers, your leads, your clients with a much better experience booking calls with you. Now, Bookafy has all the standard features that any scheduler out there provides. But let's go into why Bookafy stands out and might be the better choice for you. Now, first of all, there's several different meeting types that are available. You can set up calls just for yourself, you can set up calls for your team, and you can also set up group calls with multiple people. And on the scheduler that your clients, leads, or customers see, they'll be able to choose which specific meeting they're looking for. You can also set up your Bookafy to send out reminder notifications via email, but also through SMS text messages, so nobody's gonna miss the call. What's more is that if you're a freelancer or a consultant and you charge for your calls, you can integrate Bookafy with your payment gateway and have your clients, customers, or leads make their payment before they book the call on the spot. Now, one of the most important aspects of a scheduling tool is obviously the calendar. And Bookafy integrates with almost all of the major calendars out there. And what's more important is that it's a two-way sync. And what that means is if your Bookafy is integrated with, say, for example, Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar, you have two-way sync, meaning Bookafy will add your scheduled appointment in your Google Calendar, but also if you have any other scheduled appointments on your Google Calendar, for example, you have to go grocery shopping on Friday evening, that will show up as well on Bookafy and block out that time, and vice versa. Now, if you run an agency, you might put a lot of emphasis on white labeling and custom branding. Well, we have good news for you because Bookafy, you can customize everything. You can customize the colors, the fonts, the logos, the title images, and so much more. You can create your own booking page through Bookafy, or you can choose to embed Bookafy Scheduler onto your website, or you can also have a widget or a Book Now button on your website, your blog, your Facebook page, anywhere you want to add it in. While we can't go over every single feature that Bookafy has to offer because there's a lot, but some major features that might interest you is that you can integrate your Zoom or your GoToMeeting into Bookafy so that every call that's booked will set up your own Zoom link or your GoToMeeting link, and your clients will have that as well. So when the time comes, all they need to do is open up that email or that reminder email and click on that link and join you for the call. Now, for those of you who are working in other countries or have clients from other countries, you should know that Bookafy supports 32 languages with more coming. Now, one more point to bring up. If you have a big team or you have different departments in your teams, as I mentioned earlier, you can set up different types of calls. For example, you can set up a call for your sales team, your tech team, your support team, yourself, and you can have all of these meeting types in your Bookafy scheduler so that when a user arrives on your booking page, they can choose exactly who they want to talk to. Managing calendars shouldn't take up so much of your time and effort. Ease your struggles of setting up and keeping track of all your appointments with Bookafy.